Hey everyone, welcome back to AppleInsider. Today, we have something really exciting to talk about, a device that's all set to turn heads in the tech world. Introducing the Vivo X200 Pro, a futuristic flagship that blends cutting-edge innovation with sleek design. Now, Vivo has been known for pushing boundaries, and the X200 Pro is no exception. Let's dive in and see what this powerhouse has to offer. At first glance, the Vivo X200 Pro looks absolutely stunning. The curved edges, the frosted glass back, and that ultra-thin profile make this phone feel like something straight out of a sci-fi movie. It's lightweight, yet premium. But what's really impressive here is the 6.8-inch AMOLED display that wraps around the edges. With a 3200x1440 resolution and a 120Hz refresh rate, this display offers vibrant colors and buttery smooth performance. The colors pop, and the contrast is simply breathtaking. Whether you're streaming movies, gaming, or browsing social media, everything looks incredibly sharp. Vivo has truly stepped up its display game here. Now let's talk about the camera system. The Vivo X200 Pro features a next-level 200 megapixels primary sensor, which is unheard of in the smartphone world. This means insanely detailed photos, even when zooming in. Paired with a 50 megapixels ultrawide lens and a 48 megapixels periscope telephoto camera, this setup is designed to take your mobile photography to the next level. There's also an impressive 16 megapixels selfie camera up front for sharp, crisp selfies. Whether you're capturing wide landscapes or zooming into the smallest details, the X200 Pro does it all with ease. And Vivo's AI-driven features help optimize your shots, making sure you get the perfect picture every time. Under the hood, the Vivo X200 Pro is powered by the latest Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset, paired with up to 16 GB of RAM. This means lightning-fast performance, whether you're multitasking or playing graphically demanding games. It also comes with 512 GB of internal storage, so you'll have plenty of space for all your apps, photos, and videos. And of course, the phone runs on Vivo's custom Origin OS, which is smooth and intuitive, offering plenty of customization options. The software experience feels polished, and it's clear that Vivo has invested a lot in making sure the X200 Pro feels premium not just in design, but also in how it operates. Battery life on the Vivo X200 Pro is another highlight. With a 5000 mAh battery, you can easily get through a full day of heavy usage. And when it's time to recharge, the 120W fast charging gets you from 0 to 100% in just around 20 minutes. That's ridiculously fast. So, the big question, is the Vivo X200 Pro worth it? Well, if you're looking for a futuristic smartphone that offers top-tier performance, an incredible display, cutting-edge camera technology, and super fast charging, then absolutely. This phone is shaping up to be one of the best in the market, and it's clear that Vivo is serious about challenging the biggest players in the smartphone game. The Vivo X200 Pro is a bold step forward, and it's definitely something to watch as we move into 2025. It may not be available everywhere just yet, but it's a sign of things to come. That's it for today's review. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to AppleInsider for more tech news, reviews, and everything in between. Let us know your thoughts on the Vivo X200 Pro in the comments below. Are you as excited as we are about this one? Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.